everybody, and this morning I am doing the next part of the farm tour in the hay bale storage. So these are the bales we made. Yeah, from the video. Remember Tedding Hay episode 1 2018? Or Tedding Hay 2018 episode 1? Ages ago. These are the bales. We've done second cut in those fields. Silage bales, but the thing is, I don't know, when are we cutting them? Even though there's like a couple of weeks ago since we made them. Anyway, that's the Force Super Major. Nice tractor there. There is where I park the Fergie. That's the International 784. There are more bales behind it. So I also want to show. That's a scraper, the straw chopper. Yeah, I like that tractor. It's a very nice one. That's the tractor we have been rolling with. So, and I'm also gonna show you the tractor up there, my favourite tractor on the whole farm. I'm gonna show it to you now. So, this tractor here is a John Deere 2650. Now this tractor is huge. Well, the biggest one we've got on the farm. It is huge. You can see there, John Deere 2650. It has a loader and spikes there. We use it to feed the cows. We've already started feeding them. So that's our silage pit. But we don't have silage clamp now though anymore. That's where we stack our silage bales. So that's the farm tour for this morning. I might do another part, I'm not sure, but thanks for watching. Bye for now.